The sum function in Excel helps to add the numerical values in a range of cells. The values supplied to the function can be numbers, cell references, or ranges. This is the syntax of SUM function. The SUM function uses the following arguments. Number 1, this is the first item that we wish to sum. Number 2, the second item that we wish to sum. Number 3, this is the third item that we wish to sum. We want to sum the cells A2 and A3. Select an empty cell. The formula is give equal sign. The function name is sum. Enter cell A2, A3. If we want to sum the cells A3, A5 and an additional number of 45, here the arguments are A3, A5, 45. If we want to calculate the sum of all these figures, select the cell, give equal sign and function name, and select the range of cells. If we want to sum the cells A2, A3, A5 and A6, we can give the arguments by selecting A2 to A3, A5 to A6. We want to sum the cells A2, A3, A5, A6 and the number 500. So the arguments are given by selecting A2 to A3, A5 to A6, 500. When we click the total cell, we can see the formula in the formula bar. There is an alternative option to enter the Excel function is AutoSum option. There is an AutoSum option in the Home tab itself. The AutoSum option is the fastest way to add numbers in a range of cells. In the Formulas tab, click AutoSum. Or we can use the shortcut key Alt plus equal.